move on to the properties of amide. It is an amphoteric substance. What is called amphoteric? Dual nature. It can both behave as acid and base as well as base. The amide can behave as acid and as well as base. In science, we cannot say simply in wording acid and base. We need to explain. So, in order to illustrate, there is a reaction for us to illustrate the amphoteric nature of amide. If amide is acting as a base, I am considering it as a base, it is treated with acid HCl. Whenever base treated with acid, what is the product? Salt should form. The salt is formed, CH3, estamide hydrochloride, CH3, CO, NH3Cl. If amide is an acid, when it is treated with a strong basic metallic sodium, if you take this is a base, you are getting salt CH3 CO NH Na plus H2. So 2 moles. See what is the role of so metallic sodium? You know very well. You have studied in 10th standard itself. When a metallic sodium treated with acid, you are getting a hydrogen gas would be liberated. Here the hydrogen gas is liberated. So by these two reaction, we are saying this amide is a amphoteric in nature, since it can both behave as acid as well as base. Okay. Then hydrolysis, treating with water. What is here? Hydrolysis of amide. CH3 CO NH2. In acidic medium, it will give a acid CH3COOH. In a basic medium, hydrolysis in the basic medium. In acidic medium, this is basic medium, OH 2O. What is happening? In medium, you are getting sodium salt of acid. Sir, how the Na come? No, the basic is general representation. If you put NaOH and H2O, still more clear how the sodium state is formed. Okay. This is a hydrolysis process. When in acidic medium acid is formed, in a basic medium sodium salt of acid is formed. Dehydration. Dehydration is nothing but a removal of water molecule. When amide undergoing dehydration, dehydrating agent should be applied. Here strong dehydrating agent P2O5, phosphorus pentoxide. If we use, it is converted to cyanide CH3Cn. Water molecule is removed. So here the H2 and O water molecule is removed. As a result, you are getting that cyanide. So amide undergoing dehydration, you are getting that cyanide. Just you recall, we have prepared a cyanide. We have prepared a amide from cyanide by partial hydrolysis. Using concentrated HCl, we have prepared amide. When a cyanide undergoing hydrolysis, you are getting amide. Amide undergoing dehydration, you are getting cyanide. Okay, just you for the recalling, I am saying this is preparation, this is chemical property. Cyanide to amide, amide to cyanide. Okay, This may be question asked. Convert the cyanide into amide. Sir, amide into cyanide. For that purpose only I am mentioning this. Okay. This is dehydration process. While dehydration, water molecule should be removed. The reagent, dehydrating reagent we are using is P2O5. Hofmann degradation. Hofmann degradation. If you take amide, you are getting amine. So amide is converted to amine, primary amine. This is very, very important method to prepare a primary amine. Why it is called as a degradation? See here, how many carbons are there? 2 carbons are there in a amide. How many carbons are there in a product? Only 1 carbon. So 1 carbon is reduced, that is degraded. That's why this is called degradation. The reactant having 2 number of carbon, the product having only 1 number of carbon. Here amide is converted to amine, Hofmann degradation. Hofmann degradation is one of the important method to prepare a primary amines. We can, if you take benzamide, here what is going to happen? Benzamide. If you take benzamide, you are getting aniline. The mechanism very, very important. The mechanism, it follows the nitrine intermediate. The nitrine intermediate, after that the amine will be formed. The mechanism is not necessary for theory purpose, but you should know that what is the intermediate between these two. The intermediate is nitrine. Nitrine is an unstable, electron deficient intermediate is formed in that mechanism. After that, the formation of nitrine only, it will become a amine. Property of amide is reduction. The amide undergoing reduction, you are getting amine only. CH3, CH2, CH2. This carbonyl group is converted to reduced. See here also amide becomes amine. Acetamide becomes ethylamine. Just before we have seen the Hofmann degradation, what is happened? The amide becomes amine. The reagent is different. But what is the difference between these two? Both are reduction only. Just we can simply say reduction, but it is the difference is that this is process degradation. Here is not degraded, only 2 carbon, 1, 2. In the product also 2 carbon. The carbon remains same, both reactant as well as product. The carbons are remaining, number of carbons are remaining same. 2 carbon, 2 carbon. Whereas here 2 carbon in the reactant side, whereas in the product side only 1 carbon. Here 1 carbon is degraded. That's why it is Hofmann degradation. If the question may be asked, they given a amide is undergoing some process, you are getting amine. What is the name of the process? The product having same number of carbon mean you have to apply the reduction process. The amine having the 1 carbon less mean you have to apply the Hofmann degradation. This is a Hofmann degradation process. Okay. So that's all about the chemical properties of amide. Just I am recalling this chemical properties amide, what are they? We have seen. First of all, hydrolysis. Then we have seen that treatment in hydrolysis, acidic hydrolysis and basic hydrolysis we have seen. Then dehydration. Dehydration, amides are converted to cyanides. Then Hoffman degradation, another that reduction we have seen. That's all about the chemical properties of amides. Dear students, so far we have seen today we are come to the conclusion of the acid derivatives. What are the preparation properties of acid derivatives? Preparation of acid chloride, preparation of ester, preparation of acid anhydride, chemical properties of acid anhydride, amide, acid chloride, ester. That's all about the acid derivatives. We can see the next lesson in next class. Please keep on watching the videos. These are the lessons. We cannot get back into the classes again. There will not be, you will not find time. So my humble request that all must watch the videos regularly every day without missing. Thank you.